If you are using your iPhone and suddenly you see iPhone may be too close, keep your iPhone at arm's length can protect your sight. This is one of the iPhone feature you probably go to encounter if your iPhone is too close to your eyes. And when you move your iPhone away from your eyes, this feature will turn off and you see screen distance. Your iPhone is now at recommended screen distance. Then tap continue to start using your iPhone. While you see your iPhone may be too close, you'll not be able to use your iPhone until you move your iPhone away from your eyes. Now, once you say this, there are two things you can do. It is either you move your phone away from your sight or you disable this feature on your iPhone. Moving your iPhone from your eyes will only fix this problem temporarily. So if you want to fix iPhone may be too close permanently on your iPhone, here are the steps you need to take. Go to your iPhone settings, then scroll down and click on screen time. Click on screen distance. Make sure this feature is turned off. To reduce eye strain and the risk of myopia in children, screen distance will allow you to hold an iPhone or iPad with Face ID at a recommended distance. Then turn off this feature. With this feature turned off, iPhone may be too close will be fixed, but iPhone will no longer keep track on your site whenever you are using your iPhone to display iPhone may be too close. So guys, if you find this interesting, you want to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.